Hey everybody, this is teacher Daryl. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the students for completing their PSLE, and more so, the parents who have done a really fantastic job in journeying with your child for the past 6 months. Okay, I have a good news to share with all of us. Okay, let me just share with us that primary school math and secondary school math is really different. Okay, we learned about model and problem sums in primary school, right? In secondary school, we are going to explore many different new and exciting chapters. Okay, but before even we talk about math, I would like to show us 3 words. Okay, so what is this 3 word? Okay, I'm quite sure, if you're in the Alpha Gen, you can identify with me. Okay, if you do not identify, then probably you do not belong to the Alpha Gen. So we have the word Ris, right? What does it mean? It means charisma. It's sus, someone is suspicious. And lastly, cap, we use that word when we think that somebody is lying. Okay, but with that, I would like to show us a new term as well. So what is this new term? It's called HCF. So I'm quite sure all of us will be stunned. What is HCF? Okay, so HCF is actually highest common factor. Okay, so I'm sure most of us have actually learned what is a factor in primary school. So now we're going to build on it. What is highest common factor? And today, the question we're going to explore is what is the highest common factor between these 2 numbers? Okay, but before even we talk about highest common factor, I'm sure we know what is factor and what is factor of 8 and 12. Okay, so there are numbers that can actually be multiplied to get 8 and 12. So we have 1 and 8, right? 2 and 4, and 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and lastly 3 and 4. So we can see these are some numbers that can times together and multiply to give us 8 and 12. Okay, so now we're going to see the second term is called highest common. So we talk about common. So what is common between 8 and 12? Of course, we can see that it's number 2 and number 4. Okay, so I will circle 2 and 4. Okay, and lastly, the word here. So we settle the word factor, we settle the word common, and now it's the highest. So what's the highest? Essentially, it's the highest number. So what's the highest number between the both of them? Is of course 4. So we have actually answered the question, what is the highest common factor between 8 and 12? The answer to that is 4. So we can actually see that it's really a step-by-step process, and learning math can actually be creative and fun. So I really look forward in journeying with your child for his secondary school years.